Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, welcome to the Naifi Zoom School again, and this is Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today, I am going to take an English Literature class for class 1 students. Our today's topic, Unit-6, True, False, and fill in the blank CW. So, let's see our today's class. Class 1, subject English Literature, topic Unit 6, fill in the blanks plus true false CW, term annual, lecture 3, HW will be 2, teacher Ariful Islam, today's date, and this is my mobile number. So my dear students, so before going to the fill in the blanks and true false, let's read the Unit 6 summer unit again very quickly. So Unit 6, the name of the unit is summer. So let's go to next page. As you can see, can you come here please? So it's Unit 6. We have two characters, Rohan and Jara. Rohan says, Jara, come, let's play football. So Rohan wants to play football, okay? So Jara, oh Rohan, it's very hot in summer. As it is summer season, the days are very hot. Rohan says, why is it so hot in summer? Jara says, that is because the sun shines brightly in summer. Brightly, deeply in summer. So hot, that's why. Rohan, how can we keep cool when it's hot? Jara says, we must drink a lot of water to keep cool. We can also drink fruit juices. Here, have some coconut water. Rohan says, thanks. Jara, we must wear cotton clothes to keep cool. We can't play indoors in the daytime. We can't swim. We can't eat a lot of fruits. Rohan says, oh, I can eat ripe mangoes and juicy watermelons. What fun. We're moving to next page. So Jara says, yes, it is fun. Do you know that the days are very long in summer? We can play for a long time in every day. Oh, I love summer. So as the day is very long, so we can play for a long time every day. So let's go to our fill in the gaps. First one is fill in the blanks. Number 1, Rohan wants to dash football. So if you go to the book, you can see Rohan wants to play football. Rohan wants to play football. So our answer will be play, spelling P-L-A-Y, play, okay? Rohan wants to play football. Next one, in summer the days are very dash. So in summer the days are very dashed. What is the answer? Say everyone. So can you see your book? In summer the days are very long. The days are very long. So our answer will be long. Someone says the days are very hot. Not. Only the days are not very hot. Night is also hot. So our answer will be long. In summer, the days are very long. So our answer will be L-O L-O-N-G, long. Okay? Okay. So the days are very long. Number 3, we must wear dash clothes in summer to keep us cool. So we must wear what kind of clothes in summer to keep us cool? If you come to the book, page number this page. So we must wear cotton clothes. We must wear cotton clothes. Why? To keep us cool. So cotton spelling C-O-T-T-O-N, okay? Cotton, C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton clothes. C-O-T-T-O-N, cotton clothes. So we must wear cotton clothes in summer to keep us cool. True, false? Number 1, the sun shines brightly in summer. Is it true or false? Guess everyone. The sun shines brightly in summer. If you come to the book, you can see this page. That's because the sun shines brightly in summer. The sun shines brightly in summer. This is true. Okay, that's why we feel very hot. So our answer will be true. T-R-U-E. You have to write the full word, not T. You have to write true. T-R-U-E, true. Next one, number 2. We must eat a lot of food in summer. True or false? If you go to the book, we can see here, we must drink a lot of water to keep cool. We can drink fruit juices, have some coconut water. So we must drink a lot of water, not we must eat a lot of food. Okay, so we must drink a lot of water. We can also drink fruit juices. So here this sentence is wrong. So this sentence is false. We will write false. F-A-L-A-C, false. Last one, number 3, we can play for a short time in summer days. We can play for a short time in summer days. So if you go to the book, you can see the summer days are very long. We can play for a long time every day because the days are very long. We will get enough time for playing. So we can play for a long time every day. So this sentence is false. I'm sorry, we can play for a short time in summer days. This is false. We can play for a long time in summer days. This sentence is false. So my dear students, let's see again. Fill in the blanks. Number 1, Rohan wants to dash football. The answer will be, play football. Number 2, in summer the days are very dash. Answer will be long. L-O-N-G. Number 3, we must wear cotton clothes in summer to keep us cool. Answer will be cotton. C-O-T-T-O-N. Remember this word very carefully. True, false. Number 1, the sun shines brightly in summer. True. Number 2, we must eat a lot of food in summer days. False. In summer, false. We must drink a lot of water. We can drink fruit juice also. This is the correct answer. Number 3, we can play for a short time in summer days. False, because we can play for a long time in summer days. So my dear students, your SW will be SW2. Your SW2 will be this one. Unit 6. Fill in the blanks plus true, false. So your SW will be SW2, Unit 6, fill in the blanks plus true, false. So my dear students, that's all for today. So do your assigned SW at home and submit on Saturday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the school library. So thanks for watching this video. Keep practicing at home. Have a good parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.